Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brenda Jepkomoy. In this YouTube video, we are going to talk about the Boolean operators. And in these Boolean operators, we are going to speak about the definition. We're going to speak about the definition of Boolean operators. We are going to see the types of Boolean operators, and we are also going to see the main Boolean operators. So straight away, if we talk about the Boolean operators, we are going to see that these are words or symbols used in searching, especially in database and search engines to combine. It is also a word or symbol used to combine or modify logical statements such that you can control how conditions are evaluated. They are widely in programming and search engine and mathematics. Yes, these are just symbols used by someone if you're going to, if especially someone is going to search any word, be it in database, we can simply use these Boolean operators symbols. They are mainly symbols. Yeah, the main symbols. So we are going to see these types of Boolean operators. So we see that the first Boolean operator we have and, we have or, and we have not. These are the main types of Boolean operators. So if we talk about an returns truly only if both conditions are true. It only returns if both conditions are true. And if we see or returns if at least one condition is true. Yes, if one condition is true, we use or. And the next is we have not. Not only refers to the value of a condition. It is mainly it's mainly conditional. If the statement is in condition, then we are going to use the not. So we have also the examples of these Boolean operators, and we say that the examples here are, we have the first example is for all, and we see that or at least one happens. Yes, it tells us that one side is happening and the other is not. That's the work of or in these operators. And we also see that and tells us that both conditions must be happening at the same time. Yes, both of them must be happening. For example, if I say me and you, we are going, it means both of the two people are going. So that's the example. We have also not, which is one of the Boolean operators. This one tells us that this one only tells us the opposite of the other. It means if this one is not going, the other one is not going. It means the opposite of the other. So we are going to see the main Boolean operators, which is the first one. Okay, these are mostly the examples. So we see that and combines keywords to narrow the search. Yes. Instead of you giving us two statements in your search work, you can just combine the two words using and. Yes. Results must contain all the terms. Then we see the first example of and. It tells us that if someone is talking about education and technology, instead of giving us the two statements, taking the two lines, someone could say that education in the first line and someone could say technology in the next line. But now the importance of this and gives us that education and technology, meaning it has narrowed the search in your work. So you can easily use a small space. So we also have not, which is not used to exclude certain terms. You can use not, yes, you can use not to leave out other non-important terms in your search work, because we see that it helps to remove unwanted results in your work. For example, apples, if we say we had apples or we had mangoes or we had what, you can say this one not a mango or a fruit not veggies. Yes, it excludes the other, meaning the other was not important in your search. We also have a word or, and or is used to broaden your search, or is used to include some relevant information in your search. For example, we say, okay, for example, here I have teenagers or the youth, meaning both of them are included, but either the other one or this one is needed in your search. So thank you for following this YouTube video. I know we must have learned or we must have understand something of which we can follow and pick up something in this video. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.